The transformation of the world economy towards stronger digitalization of economic activities and towards a more climate-friendly activities helps the Chinese firms. They are well positioned in these markets like internet infrastructure, medical sector, so health, life sciences, and also the new energy car vehicles. So in these sectors, Chinese firms are often world market leaders. In principle, the One Belt, One Road initiative from your government would provide a growth vehicle for the entire global economy. Infrastructure as part of the One Belt, One Road initiative might be a chance to boost world economic growth. And the transformation towards a more green economy will also provide investment opportunities. And as we said, Chinese firms are well positioned in that area.